Why do tech enthusiasts rave about the Xiaomi 15 Ultra? Let's dive in and find out. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra packs a punch with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering top-notch performance for all your multitasking, gaming, and streaming needs. Feast your eyes on the 2K OLED display. With a 120Hz refresh rate and micro-quad curve design, every swipe, tap, and scroll feels incredibly smooth and lifelike. No signal? No problem. Satellite calling keeps you connected even in the remotest locations, ensuring you're never out of reach. Photography buffs, rejoice! The quad camera system is a game-changer, featuring a 50MP main sensor, 100x AI zoom, and a 200MP periscope telephoto lens. Capture stunning photos, near or far. And when it's time to power up, the 6000 mAh battery with 90W wired and 50W wireless charging has you covered. Quick, convenient, and ready to go. All wrapped up in a sleek, vegan leather design, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is set to make waves at its global launch during MWC 2025. Tech enthusiasts, get ready. The future is here with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra.